This is our Form 2 class. As I told you, we don't only do the skill work, we also learn academically. And we are in the English class with one of the volunteers. These girls, some of them have ambition to become nurses in future, doctors and nutritionists and others. Therefore, we don't just give them the skill, they also learn the English and math and other things so that in future they can also continue their education.
So, can someone compare useful? We did clean, cleaner, cleaners. Can you do the same for useful?
So this is how the volunteers teach in the classroom. They interact with them. They make them be part of the classroom. They give exercise, homework, among others, just to give them more knowledge on the taught courses. Volunteer courses are based on choice, preference, and background. So we'll be glad that you volunteer in Franklin Development Foundation and help promote our ladies, empower them to be future women of Ghana. Thank you.